Hello and welcome back. Today we have a rectangle whose length is 30 centimeters. Inside the rectangle there are three semicircles in such a way that it touches each other and also touches the side of the rectangle. We are given that the gap between the medium semicircle and the top of the rectangle is 4 centimeters, and the gap between the small semicircle and the rectangle is 1/8 centimeter. By using this information, we are going to find the perimeter of the rectangle. Okay, before going to find the perimeter, did you know what a perimeter actually is? If you know, drop your answer in the comment section. Okay, we define perimeter as a perimeter is the total distance around the outside boundary of a two-dimensional shape. Or, in simple words, the addition of all sides' length is called the perimeter. To find the perimeter, we need to add all four sides of the rectangle. Since we know that this one side length is 30 centimeter, so this side also equal 30 centimeter. But here is a problem. We didn't know the width of the rectangle. For this, let's consider this length as x unit. Now we can find the perimeter. The perimeter of this rectangle is 30 plus 30 plus x plus x. This 30 and this 30 becomes 60, and x plus x becomes 2x. So the perimeter is 60 plus 2x. Now, we didn't know what is the width x. To find this, we are going to use the given information. Okay, look, this big semicircle touches both the bottom and the top edges of the rectangle. And if we draw the radius of the semicircle, this radius also equals the height of the rectangle. And that means its radius is x. The medium semicircle didn't touch the top edge, and there's a 4 centimeter gap to the top. So its radius is x minus 4. Likewise, the small semicircle has an 8 centimeter gap at the top, so its radius is x minus 8. Okay, look at the diagram. The three semicircles sit side by side along the bottom of the rectangle. And we also know that the diameters of each circle is equal to 2 radii. So, if we add all radii of the circle, it equals the length of the rectangle, which is 30 centimeter. So, this one becomes 2x. This one is 2 into x minus 4, and this one is 2 into x minus 8. By adding all these, it equals 30 centimeter. Now, let's solve for x. By expanding the brackets, it becomes 2x plus 2x minus 8 plus 2x minus 16 equal 30. By adding, this becomes 6x minus 24 equal 30. After simplification, we get x equal 9. Now, we are going to substitute the value of x back into our perimeter formula, and it gives us 78 centimeter. So, the perimeter of this rectangle is 78 centimeter. If you enjoyed this problem, please like the video and subscribe for more interesting geometry and math problems. Thanks for watching.